Hello and good morning, everyone. So let's get started with today's top stocks and news. The first one is Britannia because the company faced challenges with declining profits, reporting a 9.4% drop on Y basis to 531 crores below analyst expectation. Revenue showed modest growth at 5.3%, but EBITDA dropped significantly, impacting margins, which shrank to 16.8% from 19.7% last year. The company's volume growth of 8% was within estimates, but overall profitability was under pressure. The next stock which you need to look at is Jubilant Foodwork because the company showed a mixed picture. While revenue grew by 9.1% to 1,466 crore, but net profit fell approximately 28% to 52 crores. EBITDA growth was flat and the margins also contracted to 19.4% from 21% Y&Y basis. Despite Domino's India showing revenue and the LFL growth, but cost pressures weighed down overall the profitability of the company. The next stock which you need to keep on your radar is Hindalco because the Hindalco performed exceptionally well with net profit more than doubling Y&Y basis to 1,891 crores, driven by strong EBITDA growth of 56.5%, revenue increased by 7.7%, and the margin improvement to 12.4% highlighted operational efficiencies. Also, the sale of the land also contributed to other income and supporting the strong result of this quarter too. The next stock which you need to look at is ONGC because the ONGC quarterly performance was solid with net profit up by 34% to 11,984 crores, beating expectation. Margins improved from 48.1% to 50.3%. Although revenue dipped slightly by 4% Q on Q basis, overall if you look at the ONGC number, the profitability and the operational performance remain robust. The another stock which you need to look at in today's trading session is NMDC because the company showed strong revenue growth of 22.5% and an 18.1% increase in the net profit Y&Y basis to 1,211.6 crores. However, EBITDA growth was slower, impacting margins, which narrowed to 28.2% from 29.7%. Despite solid top-line growth, profit expansion was limited by cost challenges. The next stock is Bank of India. Bank of India saw impressive net profit growth up by 62.8% to 2,373 crores and improved asset quality as well with lower GNPA and the NNPA ratios quarter on quarter basis. Despite modest NII growth at 4.3%, the bank profitability indicators was strong. The next stock which you need to look at is Shree Cement because the company had a challenging quarter with net profit plunging by 81% Y&Y basis to 93 crores. Though it beat analyst estimate, revenue and the EBITDA were both down significantly and margins contracted. Cost pressure and the sluggish demand appears to have the impacted performance. Now, the another stock which you need to look at is Blue Dart because the revenue growth by 9.4% Y&Y basis, but profit fell 14% amid high operating costs, squeezing the margins of the company. The next stock is Pratap Snacks because the revenue was flat with only 1.7% growth, while net profit dropped over 60%, reflecting cost challenges of the company. The next is the Triveni Turbine because the strong result with net profit up by 41.7% and the margin improvement to 22.2%, boosted by robust revenue growth of the company. The last stock which you need to look at in today's trading session is the National Fertilizer because the rebounded with a net profit of 12.1 crore versus loss last year, thanks to strong operational performance of the company. Overall, if you look at the results, Hindalco and ONGC stood out for the strong quarter result, while the Shree Cement and the Britannia faced notable profit declines. The sector impact of the cost inflation, the operational challenges was evident across the board, especially in the FMCG and the cement companies. So these were some of the stock which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.